Okay, watch me be absolutely completely excited about this. Oh shit. Better. Okay, I'm gonna put you here. I don't know why, but I like this angle over here. So, how do I open you? First of all, I don't know if you. Fucking dumbass! You need to open them like this. Looks like my box cutter actually does come in handy, and not for self-harm. Nice. Well, if this doesn't work, I am gonna do self-harm at the end of the day. The thing with these is that... Wait, they're already broken? They're not joined together like the other two? Okay, got them. Fake tattoos! Look! I got so... Where are the other ones? Wait. Where the fuck are they? Oh, I have four. I have 4 tattoos, and now all of these. And I have these. I'm putting them back in the fridge. Okay. All around me are I did it.